Hey everyone, this is Potter from designfungus.com. Today, in this very first tutorial, we'll be learning how to design an optical flare. Optical flares can be pretty much used in everything, from sci-fi to various campaigns to various magazines as well. We have seen an extensive use of optical flares in various movies and various cinematic posters. So without further ado, let's fire up Photoshop CS5. Open a new document, say 640 by 360 pixels with 72 dpi. Let's create a new layer above the background layer. Select the primary color, the foreground color as black. Then select the brush tool and bring the size to around 10 or 8, say 8. And then select the pen tool and then draw a horizontal line by clicking shift by selecting the path. Then this click on stroke path, simulate pressure brush, and then hit OK. We delete the brush and this path, and we already see the optical flare taking shape. We make underlayer above the first layer and then bring the brush tool once again, resize it to make a little bit larger than the size of the optical flare, and then click on the middle part of the flare. Then click on Ctrl T on a computer and Command T on a Mac and resize of middle dot until it's about size of the flare and hit OK. And after that, let's combine the two layers together by selecting both the layers and then clicking Ctrl E, and then go to the FX option to give it a nice outer glow. Since the whole thing is taking place in black, let's select a black color and then let the blend mode be normal with a little spread on it, and the size to around say 6 pixels with an opacity of around 60. Then hit OK. So now let's select a nice color for this. Go to the gradient tool and then select on the gradient. I've already selected, mine is a sorry 3-way gradient with a nice lime green on both sides and a soft yellow in the middle. Hit OK. Select the path by holding Ctrl and clicking the rectangular thing uh, beside the layer name. Then click in the middle portion till the selection and then lift the selection. This gives us a nice glow in the middle because of the gradient. This is the line and then the soft yellow. Then go to the outer glow option and then select the color to be a little pale yellow like we have selected before. This will give us a very good gradient look. We can mix and match the gradient optical flare by making more of the light streaks that it has. For instance, let's press B and then resize the brush to around say 5. Then click on the pen tool once again, stroke pad, enter. Then delete pad and then recolor it to fix the optical flare. Okay, and then let's say we delete one half of the flare and position it somewhere in the middle portion. Right, I should do the trick. And then hit the erase tool with an opacity of around 30 and gently erase the large part of it. Brush tool. This brings in some variation to the optical flare. Then this can be pretty much used in everything. Let me type in DF for design fungus and then click on the black color. Resize the text to fit this, and then we can see a nice optical flare above the design fungus logo. So lots of variations can be done. Please comment and please share your views on how to design it better. And I'd like to see you design an optical flare all by yourself and mixing and matching it with different logos or your own logo if you will. So that's all for today. Till then, keep on designing and I'll see you later.